Okay, so your questions are, first is Shaktasur is the dash demon. Which demon?
Shaktasur is Cart demon.
Cart demon.
Okay,
Cart
correct.
demon.
Okay, so second question is, let's see its answer is correct. What is the easiest way to remove wicked feelings from our mind? What is the easiest way?
We chant Lord Krishna Mahamantra.
Tell properly, what is the easiest way?
Hare Krishna
To chant
Mahamantra.
Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Yes, to
Hare
chant.
Krishna
Yes,
Mahamantra.
let's. By chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, we can. Okay, so third is, how many year old Krishna was when he killed Vatsasur demon?
7 days old.
7 days.
No, not see the demon. It's
12
not
years. 1 year.
Putna, not Putna, it's Vatsasur.
1 year.
12 days. 12 days.
Mataji, 1.
4 years.
1 year.
3 years.
1 year.
Yes, he was, no, Vitishita told the correct answer. He was 3
3
to 4 year old boy. 3 to 4 year old. Okay, and so the fourth is, what do we learn from Trinavarta story? What do we learn? Who remembers? It is, there is one shloka also we did from Trinavarta. What shloka we did from?
Mataji, we should be humble like the blade of grass.
Yes. So, from Trinavarta, we learn that Krishna does not like people who are proud. What he wants is to be humble like grass and tolerant like tree. Which shloka is there? Come on, Krishna team, tell the shloka. Okay, very good. So you have got 5 points for Krishna team. Now we'll go to Balram team. Balram team, ready?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, so second, the Balram team, we have Trinavarta is the dash demon. What demon?
Whirlwind.
Whirlwind demon. Let's see if it is correct. Yes, it's correct. Okay. So how did Nand Maharaj celebrate Krishna's first birthday? How did
By
inviting Brahmins to do
by yagya.
yes, by doing yajna, and two things are the second. What is the second thing?
7 days.
How did Nand Maharaj celebrate Krishna's first birthday? First birthday, I told you in earlier times like that.
Havan. With the Havan.
Yes, with Havan. Havan is there. Havan is there, and what else is there? What is the second
And
thing?
then he invited many people to have
Dance and drama.
Then drama, okay. And what else?
He
What is
donated
the,
cows.
yes, second thing is donated. He donated cows. He, what in earlier days, what was they used to do? They used to do Havan and they used to donate cows to Brahmins. Okay? Okay, correct. Now,
7 days. 7 days.
wait.
7 days.
Yes. I thought you will get confused. I have written how many years old. I thought you will tell 7 years like that.
7 days.
Yes,
7
correct.
days.
7 days old. Yes, 7 days old. And last is what the fourth question is, what were the 3 games Krishna and his friends used to play while taking care of cows? I told you, they used to play many games.
Hide and seek.
Yes, and
Racing.
they
used to play with kundana balls.
yes, and anything else?
And with cow also.
And
Cow racing.
cow race.
Racing with cows.
Yes, they used to play games like hide and seek, running race, making sounds of a mimicry of animals, and they used to play catch with balls made of bale fruits, amla fruits. They didn't have ball like season ball. They didn't have, so they used to have balls with bale fruits. You have some round fruits are there. With that they used to. So very good. Balram team also has scored complete full points. Now last is Subhadra team. Okay, Subhadra team, you are ready?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
Mataji.
okay. So first is Vatsasur is the dash demon.
Vatsasur is the calf demon.
Okay, let's see. It's correct. Yes, correct. How does baby Krishna appear to demons?
Warrior.
Warrior.
Warrior with what?
With shield.
Yes,
With
warrior.
armor.
With
armor.
shield and
Armor
armor.
and
Like a, and how does he appear to devotees?
As a god.
As a small child, as a small cute
As a
child, he
small-
appears. Okay, for demons, he appears like a warrior. And so, how many years old was Krishna was when he killed Shaktasura? How many years?
1 year.
1 year.
1 year.
1 year. And what does Shaktasura represent? And how does Krishna remove it from our life?
Laziness.
And he kick us.
Yes, and he kicks you. Shaktasura represents laziness and dullness. And Krishna wants us all to be active. He does not like dullness, lazy boys, lazy girls. He does not like. So what does he do? But one kick, like Shaktasura kicked, one kick, and Shaktasura died like that. All the laziness and dullness, Krishna removes with the kick. Okay, so all three have scored 5 points. Very good, everyone. Everyone is the winner today. So so very good, everyone. Maitri, you did not answer.
Mataji, I answered one question 7 days.
You answer. Okay, very good, everyone. You liked the quiz?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Okay. So we'll go to our second story. Want to hear the second
Yeah,
story?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, we see the second story is of. So till now, how many demons have been killed? First, you tell. Till now,
First, Putna. Second,
4 demons.
third is Shaktasur. 4 demons. Mataji.
4 demons. 4.
first is Putna. Second is
I do the third one.
Shaktasur.
Shaktasur. Third is
And 4th is Vatsasura. Total 4 demons have been killed right now. Till now.
that. We have seen 4 demons till now. First is this Putana. Second is Shaktasur. Third is Trinavarta. And fourth we saw was Vatsasur. That is Kavya.
Vatsasur.
So fifth, which is the fifth demon? Who knows fifth demon? Okay, fifth demon is Bakasur. So we'll hear the story of Bakasur today. Okay?
Bakasur.
Okay, so you can see Bakasur is a huge crane.
Yes,
It's a huge
Mataji.
crane, and Krishna is standing there. Okay, so what happened is now when four of the demons killed by Kamsa, 4 of the demons were killed by Krishna, and these 4 demons were like so powerful that they could destroy the entire city. But this when Kamsa came to know this small child, Krishna has killed all the demons. So Kamsa was very angry. He said that I have to somehow kill this child. He's now I am feeling that this is only the one who is going to kill me. So he thought, and the next he thought that the next demon, the most powerful demon at that time was Bakasur. And Bakasur was a crane. And so crane generally lives in a pond or river, no? So he went to that pond. And he went to the pond and there he saw Bakasur. Bakasur was nicely eating fish. And when he saw King Kamsa, he said, "Oh, Kamsa, King, why have you come here?" Then Kamsa told him that Bakasur, do you know your sister Putana has been killed by a small 3-year-old child? Do you know? Then Bakasur said that I don't know. He told him, he's telling him that, do you know what is going to happen? What is happening in this country? Do you know, or you are just eating fish and sitting? See that your sister has been so badly killed by a small child, 1-year-old child, and you are eating food here. You go now as a brother. You have to fight for her. You have to kill that child. And he said that if you kill that child, I'll give you lots and lots of food. So Bakasur was very happy that he would never have to fish for food. Na? He would never have to do any work. So he said that I am going now. And then he told Kamsa that don't worry, I am going to kill Krishna and come. And you can see that Bakasur was very with big eyes. He was hearing what Kamsa said, and then he laughed and he said that just now I will leave for Vrindavan. Now Krishna was staying in Vrindavan. He became huge, like a hill, very big, like a hill. He became, and then he flew to Vrindavan. And in Vrindavan, I told you what Krishna and his friends, they used to play lots of games. They used to play hide and seek. And Nand Maharaj had told them to take care of small, small calves. They were at the same height of Krishna. So when the calves were eating grass, Krishna and his friends used to play hide and seek. They used to play ball. They used to play many games. They used to play. And now in this, they were playing hide and seek. And Krishna, as usual, was doing cheating. He did cheating, and everyone was shouting at him, "Krishna, you are cheater! Krishna, you are cheater!" Like that, everyone was playing, and finally they got tired and said that we are very thirsty now, and they went to the river. What is the name of the river that flows in Vrindavan?
Yamuna River.
Yes, River Yamuna.
Yamuna.
And they went, and then in the behind what there is a hill. Which is that hill? You can see.
Govardhan Parvat.
Govardhan Parvat.
Yes, that is the in
Govardhan
Vrindavan.
Parvat.
In Vrindavan, that
Govardhan.
is the Govardhan hill is there. Yamuna river is there, and so Krishna told his friends, "Come on, we are all tired. Now let us all forget that I cheated and all. We are friends now. Come on, let's go and drink water." Now in that same water, the calves also used to play, and the children also used to drink water. And they tried drinking like calf. You know calf how they drink, but they could not drink. So they put have water in the hands and they were drinking. And when they were drinking, the Krishna's friends suddenly saw that there was something huge standing. And it was standing on one leg. It looked like a huge hill. They saw that what is it? It's a bird, it's a plane, what it is? And they saw, and that bird, that Bakasur was standing on one leg, and he was seeing here and there, it was seeing, where is Krishna, where is Krishna? And Krishna's friends thought that we have never seen such a big bird. In Vrindavan, there are a lot of birds. There are parrots, there are crows, there are cranes, there are swans. But this bird is new. I think this is new bird. How has it come? And it is so huge. Krishna, I think this is a demon. And then Balram said it to Krishna, I think it has come to trouble all the people of Vrindavan. We have to kill this. And Krishna told his friend, "Arey, this is a small bird. See how I fly it away, how I make it go away. See, don't worry. He told everyone, don't worry, just see." And then when Krishna came near to Bakasur, that Bakasur was just waiting for the moment when Krishna will come near it. So that what he could do, he wanted to eat Krishna. Just as Krishna came near, see what did Bakasur do? Krishna was smiling at the bird, and then Bakasur, what did he do? He just gobbled him. He just put the beak and he took Krishna in his mouth. You see, Bakasur must be so big that a 4-year-old child he could eat, which means that Bakasur was so big bird. And you can see it. What did he do? He tried swallowing Krishna. Within the beak, Bakasur tried swallowing Krishna, and Krishna has gone inside his neck also. But and now he has closed his eyes and very happily said that now Krishna is killed, and now Krishna has become my food, and I will go and tell Kamsa that Kamsa, give me lifetime supply of food. Your enemy is killed now. But Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead, and when he went into Bakasur's neck, he became very hot. Like when this iron becomes hot, it becomes red hot, like that, and Krishna became very hot, and so that, and Bakasur could not withstand the heat. He was feeling so hot. His throat was burning. Like you drink hot soup, your throat burns like that. But Krishna was so hot that Bakasur could not just keep Krishna in his throat, and he spit him out. He threw Krishna out. And so what did he do? That he was he was a demon. Bakasur, so he tried hurting him with his beak. You can see, and Krishna is jumping here and there, and Bakasur is with his beak. He's trying to kill Krishna. He's trying to hurt Krishna. Like that, for some time, Krishna was playing with the bird, and then finally, what did Krishna do? You can see Krishna is playing with that bird is going behind him, and Krishna is running. And so finally, because Krishna's friends who were watching this, they were crying that, oh, this bird is going to kill Krishna. They're crying, crying, crying. So Krishna said that, oh, my friends are uh, feeling very sad for him. So let me finish this demon. And so what did Krishna do? He caught hold of Bakasur's beak, and he caught hold of its lower beak, and he stood on its beak. And second beak, he pushed with his full force, like, and wow, and he just split that beak into two parts. You can see the two parts, that split is broken in the middle. Na? Like that, Krishna broke the two beaks. In the same way, like that, you take a leaf, and when you tear the leaf in that simple way, Krishna just broke Bakasur's beak, and that demon was killed. And everyone started telling, oh, Krishna has killed the demon, Krishna has killed the demon, come on, let's go home. And all the friends were happy. And then they went home to Yashoda Maya and Nand Maharaj. Okay, so from this Bakasur story, what we learn is, see, Baka, like Shakatasur, Shakat means a cart. In this Bakasur, Baka means a crane. And Baka and Asura. Asura means a demon. So Bakasur means crane demon. Okay, so now cranes are generally very cunning. If you have seen in a zoo or somewhere, you have seen a crane is standing on one leg and its eyes closed. You think that, array, this is like a sadhu, it is doing tapasya, like it will stand so nicely, it will stand with one leg. Cranes are generally like that. But what it is doing, it is thinking about when this fish will come, and as soon as the fish, it doesn't know, it feels that this is just a stick in water. It does not know that crane is standing, because cranes have long legs. No? So just when the fish comes near it, then what it will, it pounces on it. It quickly catches the fish. And so like that, cranes are very cunning. And so Bakasur was very, very cunning demon. So what did he think? He thought that it is very easily, I can eat Krishna, and then Krishna will be killed. But Krishna is God. No? It's not easy. It is impossible to hurt Krishna. So, but like crane is a cunning person. So Krishna does not like people who do show off of being good. Like crane, I told you, crane, it shows that it is very good and it is very nice, and it stands on one leg like doing tapasya and eyes closed. But in real, what it is, it's a very bad bird. Like it's just thinking of how to kill others. So like that, Krishna also does not like people who tell others that we are so good, we are so caring, but actually what they do, they think bad about others. They think that this person should fall sick, this person should not have money, person should fail in exam, like that they think. So Krishna does not like such people. Krishna likes simple people, simple devotees who simply chant Hare Krishna mantra and be happy. Like that, Krishna likes simple devotees. Okay. So, and now Krishna, I told you, for demons, how does Krishna appear? He appears like a warrior with shield and armor. But for us, how does Krishna appear? How we consider? If you consider him as a friend, he'll appear before us like a Makhan Chor, butter stealing Krishna, or Damodar, or a simple Krishna playing with flute, he'll appear. So, how we think of Krishna, if we think of him as Krishna as friend, so Krishna will also think of us as a friend. So from this story, we understand these things. Okay, understood the story of Bakasur?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Mataji, what is the activity?
Yes, the activity is we are continuing with the parrots, because I will just share the screen. See, we are actually in every Kartik, we chant Tulsi Maharani prayers. Na? So there is a place like birthplace, like you are born when there is a place where you are born. You are born at your nanny's place. You are born in some place like that. Vrinda Devi or Tulsi Devi is born in a beautiful place in Vrindavan. It is called Vrindakut. That is a place where Tulsi Maharani is taken birth, or she has appeared. And her birthday comes on Kartik Purnima. That is, this time it is coming on 19th November. So for birthdays, what we do, we generally decorate with balloons, we put ribbons and everything. Na? So for every year, what we do, because Tulsi Maharani loves parrots, she likes parrots. You can see in the picture there are parrots. So this year what we are doing, we are going to make parrot cutouts. We are going to make parrots and we are going to decorate whole Vrindakund with parrots. So we need lots and lots of parrots. And so if anyone does not have the printout, they can take it from this YouTube link, or I'll again share the printouts. And so we have to make lots of beautiful, beautiful, colorful printouts, which we are going to put it where we are going to hang. We are going to hang in Vrindakund.